Hi, this is Ryan Brown from mockquestions.com. In this video, we'll discuss 5 neurologist interview questions from our website. We'll go over each question and some advice on how to answer them, along with an answer example. Afterwards, if you found this video helpful, please like and share. That would mean a lot to us. Okay, let's get started. Question number 1. What characteristics do you think are important for healthcare professionals? There is more than one reason for asking this question. First, the interviewer wants to know what qualities you think are important to perform this job. Second, and most importantly, your answer will tell the interviewer if you hold yourself to the same standard as you do others. If you want to see certain characteristics in your peers, you should be able to tell the interviewer with confidence that you possess those traits as well. This question is one that interviewers often use to distinguish sincerity on the part of the candidate. Here's our answer example. I believe that honesty is important no matter what job title a person holds. I have found that being honest with people creates an atmosphere of mutual trust and respect. Those qualities, I feel, are essential when building rapport with patients and coworkers. Question number 2. Neurologists in our hospital often work on rotation. Are you prepared to work evenings, weekends, overtime, and holidays as required? Being flexible with the schedule you are willing to work is always a plus. However, many people work more than one job or have a one-parent home which requires them to have a flexible schedule. Others simply prefer to work one shift rather than another. Being upfront with the interviewer about what schedule suits your preference could help prevent conflict later on. It is easier to plan a schedule you can agree on than it is to fix problems that arise due to fear of being rejected. I am pretty flexible with my schedule. If I had a choice, I would prefer the late shift as I am a bit of a night owl. However, I'm excited about the opportunity to become a part of this team and am willing to work where I'm needed. Question number 3. What is something important that you learned during your clinical residency? The interviewer is not necessarily looking for something that you learned about neurology. This can be anything that you feel is important. Some suggestions might be that you learn how to provide excellent patient care, you learn how to listen actively, or that you learn that keeping your current on technology is essential in this profession. I learned to let go of the burden of being all-knowing in my field. I do not need to know everything, nor can I. It is more important that I'm honest about my limitations and rely instead on my ability to research and involve my colleagues. I also try to stay connected with changes in healthcare. This makes me a better provider. Question number 4. What education would you provide to a patient with Bell's palsy? One of the primary responsibilities of healthcare providers is patient education. Understanding disorders and being able to help patients understand them is important. Approximately 1 in 5,000 people develop Bell's palsy each year. Although it is classed as a relatively rare condition, it is frightening to patients as it affects the nerves of the face. Share any knowledge you have about Bell's palsy with the interviewer. Any disorder that affects the nerves enough to leave it paralysis can be frightening. I think of one of the most important things is to assure the patient that Bell's palsy usually resolves within a few months. Also, as the facial nerve begins to recover, tightening and relaxing facial muscles can help strengthen them. Instructing patients to do this often makes them feel like they can have an active role in their own recovery. Question number 5. What are your primary interests outside of work? No matter what profession a person chooses, everyone needs some time to unwind and relax. Psychologists today say that a healthy balance in life allows a person to recharge and refocus, which can result in better productivity at work. The interviewer simply wants to know what you do for yourself. One of my favorite pastimes is writing. After a busy day at work, I like to journal or write articles for a blog that I author. Both of these forms of writing allow me to release any feelings of frustration I may experience, especially after a stressful day or a difficult situation at work. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, it would be greatly appreciated if you could subscribe to our channel. It really does help motivate us to continue creating videos. Thanks again, and we hope you stick around to watch more interview practice videos from Mock Questions.